Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you're a returning viewer, thank you for coming back. This is something I didn't expect to have to buy. We'll just leave it at that. So if you go back to some of my videos, I haven't posted them yet. I'm in the process of posting them, where I bought some tumblers like this and off of Temu, and they had the aftermarket lids. Those suck. They suck. They leak everywhere. I've put the little stoppers on them to stop the spill-proof leaks, leak-proof or whatever. They didn't help. But my actual Stanley lid is really good. So what I did is I went on Stanley and bought their actual lids for $10. So I got a black on black, a clear on white on gray. Sorry, the sun just came up over there. A gray, two-tone gray with clear. And then another one of the white ones. So that is all I got in this package. So thanks for watching, and I look forward to trying these out, seeing how these actually work with the cups that I purchased. Try to leave that down below. All of these were for the 40 ounce. And shipping on these, it's actually better the more you get, because you're still paying $6.98 no matter what you get from Stanley. So keep that in mind. If you're buying something from Stanley, grab everything you need at once. All right, thanks for watching. Bye, you guys.